Hi, I am Umer from Learn Bio with Thinkers of Biology. Today we discuss about the Tecomaria capensis plant. Never forget to share your love by like, share and subscribe Thinkers of Biology. So, we provide you the more quality and research-based knowledge. Then, why have to wait? Let's get started.
Tecomaria capensis. Identification of Tecomaria capensis plant. Tecomaria capensis, commonly known as cape-honeysuckle, is a species of flowering plant in the bignonaceae family. It is recognizable by its vibrant clusters of tubular orange or red-orange flowers, which bloom prolifically. The plant typically grows as a sprawling shrub or a vine, often reaching heights of up to 3 meters or 10 feet. Its leaves are dark green, glossy, and pinnately compound, consisting of several leaflets arranged opposite each other along the stem. Morphology of Tecomaria capensis plant. Tecomaria capensis, commonly known as cape honeysuckle, displays a distinctive morphology that contributes to its ornamental appeal and ecological significance. Stems. Tecomaria capensis typically features woody stems that can either be semi-erect or climbing in nature. These stems are characterized by rough, textured bark, which provides structural support to the plant. Leaves. The leaves of Tecomaria capensis are arranged oppositely along the stems and are pinnately compound, meaning they consist of multiple leaflets attached to a central axis called the rachis. Each leaf is composed of 5 to 9 leaflets, although variations may occur depending on environmental conditions and growth stage. The individual leaflets are lanceolate or elliptic in shape with pointed tips and serrated margins. They are typically dark green in color and have a glossy appearance. Flowers. One of the most striking features of Tecomaria capensis is its vibrant clusters of tubular flowers, which blooms profusely during the flowering season. The flowers are trumpet shaped and measure approximately 5 centimeters or 2 inches in length. They are borne in dense clusters at the terminal ends of branches. The color of the flowers varies with shades ranging from bright orange to red orange. This coloration serves to attract pollinators such as birds, bees, and butterflies. Fruits. After fertilization, the flowers of Tecomaria capensis develop into small, elongated capsules known as follicles. These capsules contain numerous tiny seeds, which are dispersed by wind or animals, contributing to the plant's reproductive success. Roots. The root system of Tecomaria capensis consists of both primary and lateral roots, which anchor the plant in the soil and absorb water and nutrients. Like many other woody plants, Cape honeysuckle may also develop adventitious roots from stems or branches under certain conditions, aiding in vegetative propagation. Taxonomic classification of Tecomaria capensis plant. Kingdom Plantae. Phylum Angiosperms. Class Eudicots. Order Lamiales. Family Bignonaceae. Genus Tecomaria. Species Tecomaria capensis. Habitat. Native to southern Africa, Tecomaria capensis thrives in a variety of habitats, including coastal areas, scrublands, and forest margins. It is well suited to subtropical and Mediterranean climates, where it can tolerate drought and poor soil conditions. In its natural habitat, it often grows along rocky slopes or in disturbed areas. Reproduction of Tecomaria capensis plant. Tecomaria capensis, commonly known as cape honeysuckle, employs both sexual and asexual methods of reproduction to ensure its survival and propagation. Sexual reproduction. Tecomaria capensis reproduces sexually through the production of flowers, pollination, and subsequent seed formation. Flowers. The plant produces showy clusters of tubular flowers, typically in shades of bright orange or red orange. These flowers are rich in nectar, attracting pollinators such as birds, bees, butterflies, and other insects. Pollination. Pollinators visit the flowers to feed on nectar, inadvertently transferring pollen from one flower to another as they move between blooms. This cross pollination facilitates fertilization and seed production. Fertilization. Following pollination, the fertilization process occurs wherein pollen grains from the male reproductive organs anthers unite with the female reproductive structures ovules within the flower. This fertilization event leads to the development of seeds within the flower's ovary. Seed development. Fertilized flowers develop into small elongated capsules called follicles. These capsules contain numerous tiny seeds, each capable of germinating and producing a new plant under suitable conditions. Seed dispersal. Once mature, the follicles split open, releasing the seeds. Seed dispersal may occur through various mechanisms, including wind dispersals and animal dispersals, for example, via birds or mammals. This dispersal mechanism helps in the colonization of new habitats and the expansion of the plant's range. Asexual reproduction. Tecomaria capensis also reproduces asexually through vegetative propagation, wherein new plants are generated from specialized vegetative structures without the involvement of seeds. Root sprouting. The plant may produce new shoots or stems from underground roots or rhizomes, allowing it to spread horizontally and form colonal colonies. Stem cuttings. Gardeners and horticulturists often propagate Tecomaria capensis through stem cuttings. Healthy stem segments are cut from established plant and planted in suitable growing medium. Under favorable conditions, these cuttings develop roots and grow into independent plants, genetically identical to the parent plant. Flowering. Cape honeysuckle typically blooms from late winter to early summer, although it may flower intermittently through the year in favorable conditions. The bright orange or red orange flowers from dense clusters at the tips of branches, creating striking display that attract pollinators. Medical importance of Tecomaria capensis. While Tecomaria capensis is primarily valued for its ornamental qualities, certain parts of the plants have been used in traditional medicine for various purposes. For example, infusions or extracts of the leaves have been used in some cultures of to treat coughs, colds, and respiratory ailments. However, it's essential to note that scientific evidence supporting these medicinal uses is limited, and the plants should be used with caution due to the potential for adverse effects. Ecological importance of Cape honeysuckle. Cape honeysuckle plays a significant role in local ecosystems as a nectar source for pollinators such as birds, bees, and butterflies. Its dense growth habitat and habit also provides shelter and nesting sites for small animals and birds. Furthermore, the plant's ability to thrive in diverse habitats and its tolerance for poor soil conditions make it valuable for erosion control and landscapings in urban and coastal areas. However, in some regions where it has been introduced outside its native range, Tecomaria capensis can become invasive, outcompeting native vegetation and altering local ecosystem. Therefore, careful management is necessary to prevent its spread in areas where it is not native.
You have to learn about the Tecomaria capensis plant. If you want to gain knowledge about another plant, then don't forget to share your love by like, share and subscribe Thinkers of Biology. If you have any query or any question, then you have to comment in this video. See you soon. See you next Sunday. Bye.